We are at the supermarket today.
The supermarket is very big. Are there many things inside?
Yes. There are many things inside.
We need food for the week.
I like shopping with my family. Oh, wow! The door opens by itself.
Stay close to us, Noah.
We need a big cart today.
I want to help with the cart. All right, you can help. There are so many aisles.
We need milk, eggs, fruit, and bread.
We also need rice and juice.
Can we look at snacks later?
Yes. After we buy the food first.
Let's start shopping now.
That's a great idea, sweetie.
Look at that.
First, we are in the fruit area.
The apples look fresh. I like bananas very much.
Let us get some apples first.
One apple. 2 apples. 3 apples.
Can we buy oranges too?
Yes. These oranges are sweet.
These carrots are very long.
Vegetables are good for us.
Now let us get the milk.
There are many milk boxes here.
We need 2 boxes of milk.
Whew. Please be careful with the eggs.
Yes. Eggs break very easily.
I can help with the cart.
Good job. Let us keep going.
These bottles are shiny. This bottle looks pretty.
Wait, Noah. Do not pull it fast. Don't touch that, honey. It's glass.
Why, Mom?
Glass bottles can fall and break.
Oh, they are very close together.
We
We move slowly with glass.
Slow hands are safer.
Can I touch this jar?
Ask an adult first, Noah.
Can I help you with anything? Yes, please. We need that bottle. Here you are. Please be careful. Glass needs careful hands.
Broken glass can hurt people.
We place it carefully in the cart.
Good. You are being safe.
We look. We ask. We stay safe. This area smells so good. I see my favorite cookies.
We can buy one pack today.
I want one cookie now. Can I open it now?
Do not open it here.
But we will buy it. Buy it.
We must pay before we eat.
The food is not ours yet.
Please pay first, then enjoy.
Okay, I will wait.
That is the right thing to do.
I am hungry too, Mom.
We will go home soon.
Wait first. Eat later. I am being very good.
Now we have bread for breakfast.
Huh?
Let us finish our shopping list.
Shazzle.
We are almost done now. There is a line over there.
I want to see the cashier.
Noah, come back. Stay with us.
Oh, people are waiting.
We wait our turn in line.
I can wait nicely.
I will stand here. The sign says, "Please wait here."
Yes. We follow the sign.
We move when the line moves.
No pushing. No rushing.
Hello! It is your turn now. Now we can pay for everything.
Milk, eggs, bread, and fruit.
I like that beep sound.
Please be careful with the eggs. Heights.
Of course. I will be careful.
We brought our own bags.
Whoa.
That is very helpful. Thank you.
Here are my cookies.
Now they are ready to buy.
You waited very well today.
I will pay with my card.
The payment is complete.
Here is your receipt. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
We bought everything we need.
Can I eat my cookies now?
Yes. We paid for them first.
Today we were safe, polite, and smart.